presenting the Mercedes-Benz 2011 E-Class E350 Luxury. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, temporary spare tire, sun moonroof and generic sun moonroof. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.